send our things from Barbados here so I can make sure some disperse it in a manner where help people. But even further than that, it is my wish that more Jamaicans, ordinary Jamaicans, can just look around and see one child in them community where could I use as strength. And just do what you can. Nobody asks nobody to do or for bend over backwards or for go take out second mortgage. Just do what we can for each other, because guess what? It take a whole village for raise one child.
That's why the people them love you so much. Because you don't have a whole heap of people who think like you and do what you are do. Not even the politician them now do it.
Well, like the late great Robert Nesta Marley said, if my life are just for me no want it. My life is for the people.
Alright, Baba. Anyway, may I come get ready for go up on the bar now. By the way, put on a shirt and come with me now. For me, come just itch up in the house. So, Mullin say if you take a week and pass a week now, come on, may you forward out of the bar.
Is who did have me handcuffed to the bed?
Well, come get some fresh air now. And later, back to the handcuff.
Boy, King, you have the heart of a lion.
So, at this I deal with straight now, full time.
Yeah, man. At this me I pray now. Kind of pray this full time. But they are focused on the whole technological side of things too much. And now me I get back the feel of nature, you know, and the earth and just the peace and quiet. That me I focus on right now.
I like the meds there, you know. And I love the environment too, you know. You see me? And this is one of the most integral things we need, you know.
Exactly.
So, right now we are meds this. I did it, man. But you know what? I say me have to circle your star, cause a long time when you say I give me little food in and when I see a circle back from that time, the only thing we get is a location star and nearly lost. So what go on? You know surface back.
Yeah, man, me a surface, man. And that's why I'm sending the location card. Could I forward and carry them things that from gear up? Need want you to see the place. Want you to see the meds on me depend here right now, cause food is the staff of life, you know. And that place I keep me grounded. Believe me when I tell you that. So me want you to come see the place, man, and just like you load up your vehicle and forward back in our town, and you know what I mean? Yeah, man, at the right place with them, man. Like I tell you, say, I want to tell you a thing too, you know. The brethren named Mullins,
Yeah.
I him set up this for me.
Yeah.
Show him a thing, so I don't really want to deal with the little like a thing that I deal with. Because I always get a problem, brother. I always like the wrong set of people reach out to me. And I get a problem. So I say, I go touch something where when I a youth, I used to see my father do them things here. But him did want a better life for me, so I'm saying I go get technologically inclined. You know what I mean? But it's like me forward back to my roots now. The real place, man. I tell you what I want, man. Believe me, man.
You know, so I love the fact that you make a choice and you choose wisely. You see me? Because you can't lose from it there. So. And you're far from chop. You see what I say? But like if somebody link you for one roast in the technological side of things, you wouldn't shut it up same way.
I want to tell you to me, Jenna. I'm not sure now. Because one of the things them where the Mullins brother tell me say is like he will commission me for do certain things when I'm ready for me to do it. So I don't even have to take no outside work from nobody. I just go and do the things that him ask me for do. Because I really owe him a lot. Because this is a second chance, you know. Him never have to do it. So I said, when him link me for do that thing there, I pray the right thing now. So I don't have to take no chance, because brother, remember say the things that go out in the world there, they're not gone away now. So them footprint they're all over the place. And it don't take nothing for your man rise up my file and I have to do all some more time I'm now go back at that place there, brother. 3 years of my life go away with that. So right now just this me I focus on to do the right thing right now. You know what I mean? I want to tell you too, you know. When King Man step back out in the world, I want him come see place because a man with a proud of what me I do right now. Believe me when I tell you, man.